What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video, I'm going to be installing Manzo Frontpipe on the 8.6, but I just wanted to say real quick before we start, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting as much. I've been trying to do something for you guys, and I've been really working hard towards it, but unfortunately it fell through, and I was not able to do it. And what I wanted to do was I was trying to find the perfect bike to start moto vlogging, and I worked so hard towards it, and just something didn't go exactly as planned. But don't worry, I'm still gonna work towards it, and I just wanted to say why I was gone for so long. Plus I had a couple of trips I had to take, and not like vacation, like work trips, and you know, that's why I've been gone for so long. So now let's just get straight to the video. Hopefully I can post weekly or at least monthly. I'm gonna try my best, but yeah, let's get straight to it. On today's video, we're gonna be installing front pipe or a test pipe on the Toyota 86. I'm sorry the energy's not there today. Just a couple things going on, trying to get past it, but you already know we're gonna have a good time. I'm gonna install this and let's get straight to it. Let me show you the pipe first. So we got the Manzo front pipe. So I just got this one. It was a cheap one, nothing crazy, but so far, I mean, everything looks all right. You know, no dents, nothing looks too bad so far. But I was thinking about getting like an NVIDIA or something like that, but I was thinking like a pipe is a pipe. I know that they're better quality. Some of them make them sound better, but I thought I would just test it out, see, just see. So then again, this is a daily driver, so I do want to like kind of keep it in like a decent like budget type of area. But yeah, so let's get to it. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay guys, so now that we're under here, we gonna take these screws out, or bolts. So this is a 12 mil and a 10 mil, and then you're gonna have one clip right here, and then we're gonna move down here. So that's a 10 mil right there, also right there, another one right here, and then another one right there. So go ahead and get all the bolts out, take the underpaneling out, and then you got two bolts right here. Hold on, let me get some light on there. Woo! All right, boom, boom. That's the front, that's to the over pipe, and you're just gonna remove those. Put some PV blaster on both that and those bolts that go to the cat back. So go ahead and do that first. Let those bolts sit. You're gonna want a wrench, because I tried to use this wrench, but it was hitting the cat. So I had to just pull up one of these. If you got one of these, but like a 14 mil, go ahead and throw it in there. I don't think we'll need it for the new one, because this is gonna be moved. So you can just literally put in a wrench and loosen it or tighten it when we put the new one in. So once you have those unbolted, you're gonna go ahead and come here and you're gonna unbolt these. Now these is a 14 back here, and this is a 12 millimeter. So go ahead and unbolt those. You get all the bolts unbolted. There's still this one little hanger bolt, and go ahead and unbolt that. It's also a 14 mil. I was actually having some hard time with that bolt, so I went ahead and threw some PV blaster on that one as well. Once you get that out, go ahead and just pull the whole thing out. Once you have the exhaust out, go ahead and pull this little gasket. You're gonna have to reuse it on the new one. Quick comparison of the exhaust. Very nice. So now we're gonna take this gasket right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just fit it right onto the new one, just like so. So this new front pipe comes with like some bolts and all that. I'm gonna be reusing all the bolts. I'm just gonna be using one of these gaskets, and I'm just gonna put it right here because that one already has one. So let's go ahead and do that. It already has gaskets in there. I'm gonna put this one just on top just in case. And now we can go ahead and put the exhaust in. Go ahead and put in these bolts, then the rear bolts, and then that bolt, and then I'll give you the torque specs for them. Okay, so these front bolts that go front bolts that go into the over pipe are going to be 32 foot-pounds. The hanger bolt is going to be 37 foot-pounds. These bolts back here with the spring are going to be 13 foot-pounds. I'm going to go 15 pounds.
You got it all installed back. Let's go ahead and hear how it sounds, and also check for exhaust leaks. So we made sure there's no exhaust leak. Now let's take our rear panel and go ahead and install it back. So go ahead, right when you put it in, you're gonna want to slide it under this panel, and then we can put on the bolts on the outer side on that panel first, and then we'll put these bolts on. Don't forget to put all the bolts back, like those ones. Those are 10 millimeters, and also these one. And don't forget the clip. I almost forgot the clip. And just like that, you guys are all set. You know, enjoy your new front pipe. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, it doesn't sound too loud in the low RPMs. Once you get into the higher RPMs, that's when you start hearing it. And it does let a good amount of airflow through. So maybe we might see like maybe 5 to 10 horsepower. Really, you don't feel that much gain, but then again, I haven't taken it for a drive, and yeah. So just like that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and have a good one. Peace out.